Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the cell organelles. So in the yesterday's class I have told you cytoplasm having so many organelles in that. Okay. So what are the different kinds of organelles which is present in the cell? First one is mitochondria. Okay, mitochondria is a plural word. In a singular form we are calling it as mitochondrion. Okay, it has got various shape, but usually it has got sausage like. Okay, and it is a double membrane structure. It has got double wall, and the inner wall has a foldings actually, and the foldings are known as cristae. And another speciality of mitochondria is that it has got its own DNA and ribosomes. Okay, and this is a structure of a mitochondrion. You can see that it has got two walls or two layers. It has got the outer layer and the inner layer, and the inner layer it has got foldings. Okay, and this folding is known as cristae. Okay, and the inner compartment of the mitochondria is known as its matrix. Have you got it? This is the first organelle. Okay, and what's the function of the mitochondria? Mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell, because it is releasing the energy by aerobic respiration. So we all need energy, and the production of the energy is doing by the mitochondria. It is producing the ATP actually, and it will store the energy also. Okay, this is all about mitochondria. And the next one is that Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is the next cell organelle which is present in the cell. In the plant cell, in Golgi apparatus, we are calling it Golgi apparatus in animal cell. In the plant cell, the same organelle is known as dictyosomes. Okay, dictyosomes is the word that we are using, the same organelle in plant cell. And this is actually a flattened membrane sac. Okay, and it consists of tubules, and the tubules is known as cisternae. Cisternae is the name of the tubule which is present in that. I'll show you the picture. This is the picture of Golgi apparatus. Okay, it has got a flattened structure, and the tubule like structure is present here, and this is known as what? Cisternae. What is the function? The function of Golgi apparatus is the synthesis and secretion of enzymes. Synthesis and secretion of enzymes and hormones are the function of Golgi apparatus. Okay, and it will form the acrosome. Acrosome means a part of a sperm. Okay, that is also the function of Golgi apparatus in animal cell. That's all about Golgi apparatus. And the next one is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is the next cell organelle. It has got irregular network of double membrane tubules. It is an irregular structure. Tubules are formed irregularly. It is network like structure, and that is endoplasmic reticulum. And it continues with the plasma membrane on the outer side and nuclear membrane on the inner side. Means it has got attached to the plasma membrane, and it will continue up to the nuclear membrane. What is plasma membrane? That is the outer covering of the cell. Nuclear membrane means the outer covering of the nucleus. So it has got a connection by endoplasmic reticulum. And the endoplasmic reticulums are of two types. The first one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, or SER. Why it is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum means it will be smooth in appearance. There is no ribosomes will be present in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And another type is that is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum will be attached with ribosomes, and it will be rough in appearance. Okay, I'll show you the picture. This is rough endoplasmic reticulum. You can see it is irregularly structured one, and there are so many ribosomes are present on this endoplasmic reticulum, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. And this is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It doesn't have the ribosomes on it. Okay, and what are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. So as I told you before, it is attached with the plasma membrane and nuclear membrane, so it gives a support to the cell. It is a supportive framework of the cell, and it has got the capacity of synthesize and transport the protein also. This is a function of endoplasmic reticulum. So the rest of the organelles I will take in the next video. Thank you.